Okay, let us now start with. So we are done with 6 journal entries. Next, the seventh one. Okay, when goods are returned by branch daters directly to HO. मतलब the daters screen share is not visible, students. Visible. What happened, Saurav? Why are you not able to see the screen? Now, is it visible to you, Saurav? Okay. Just be out of the lecture and join in. Maybe some connectivity issues you're not able to. Yeah. Okay. When goods are returned by branch daters directly to HO. मतलब instead of returning it to the branch, अभी suppose आपका head office है से मलाड में, ओके, ब्रांच था से बोरीवली में, आपने खरीदा बोरीवली में डेटर्स, ओके, बोरीवली, but he should have returned the goods here, right? उसने बोरीवली में ना देके डायरेक्टली मलाड में जाके दे दिया, गुड्स वहां जाके रिटर्न कर दिया. ओके, या. So when goods returned by branch daters directly to HO, so the journal entry will then be GSTB account debit to branch daters. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? Seventh entry is clear. Entry number 7. Okay. Next, eighth one. When goods are sent by one branch to another branch. Okay, the transfer of goods from one branch to another branch, it means that. Okay, so what journal entry will be passed? GSTB account debit to branch stock, and one more entry will be passed. Branch stock debit to GSTB. Okay. Why? Because journal entries are to be passed from whose point of view? From the HO's point of view. Okay, so I'll give you an example of this. तुम्हारा हेड ऑफिस है मलाड, तुम्हारा ब्रांच है एक बोरीवली और एक कांदिवली. ठीक है, तो बोरीवली और कांदिवली के बीच में ट्रांजैक्शन हुआ. ओके, गुड्स आर डायरेक्टली सेंट फ्रॉम बोरीवली टू कांदिवली, जबकि होना कैसे चाहिए था? बोरीवली ब्रांच, अगर बोरीवली और कांदिवली वाले ब्रांच को एक दूसरे को गुड्स देना है तो वो कैसे देगा? अपने हेड ऑफिस के थ्रू देगा. ओके, वो डायरेक्टली ब्रांच को नहीं देगा। ओके, तो कैसे जाना चाहिए? बोरीवली टू एचओ एंड देन एचओ विल गिव इट टू कांदिवली, लाइक दिस। बट इधर क्या हो गया है, इधर ऐसा डायरेक्ट ट्रांजैक्शन हो गया है। तो एचओ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्या होगा, एचओ एचओ दो एंट्री पास करेगा, एक जिसके यहाँ से गुड्स बाहर गया और एक जिसके यहाँ गुड्स आया। ओके, सो बोरीवली वाले ने कांदीवली ब्रांच को गुड्स दिया, तो फॉर हिम गुड्स आर गोइंग आउट and for Kandivali goods are coming in. So that is why there are two entries. GSTB account debit to branch stock and branch stock to GSTB. Am I clear about this? समझ में आया? Transactions between one branch to another branch, if it happens, still HO will pass two journal entries, one from outgoing point of view and the other from incoming goods point of view. Okay, so don't forget these aspects, very important. Next, journal entry number 9, bad debts and discount. Okay, so this will go through which account? Branch expense account. Nominal account rule, expenses, debit the expenses and losses. Correct? Yeah. To branch debtors. Okay. Next, journal entry number 10. Branch expenses paid. Who will pay? HO's point of view, it will be paid. So cash will be anyways going out. So branch expense account debit. Okay, to cash bank. Okay. Journal entry number 11. Okay. Next is abnormal shortage of goods. ये क्या होता है? This is abnormal shortage of goods. This pilferage. Pilferage मतलब leakage. Okay, pilferage और loss of stock. Wastage भी बोलते हैं pilferage को. Okay, yeah. If you see जैसे गनी बैग्स होते हैं राइस के एंड व्हीट के, तो अगर उसमें एक छोटा सा भी होल हो गया तो क्या होगा? भले like 1 1 2 2 या morsels will come down, एक एक दाना गिर सकता है, तो उतना लॉस तो होगा ना। भले ही अगर से 100 ग्राम भी गिरा एक गोनी में से, 100 ग्राम भी गिरा तो 100 ग्राम भी तो लॉस ही है ना। इज दैट क्लियर? तो एबनॉर्मल शॉर्टेज ऑफ गुड्स और पिल्फरेज और लॉस ऑफ स्टॉक. समझ में आया? Okay, so this will go, yeah, branch PNL. You can take it to branch stock adjustment to branch. You can even take it to branch PNL. Actually, this entry will be better understood when we are doing sums. This will be at loading. This will be at cost. Okay, and this will be at invoice price. Write it like this. Okay, next. Journal entry number 12. हाँ, opening stock के लिए. Okay, yeah. If your opening stock is at IP, then what you have to do? Loading का entry pass करना पड़ेगा, right? Yeah. So I'm talking about that loading entry. Okay, or you can write like this. Opening stock at loading. Okay, so you will remember about this loading price. Yeah. So what entry you will pass? Stock reserve account debit to branch stock adjustment account. Okay, same. Thirteenth, closing stock at loading. Yeah, journal entry, branch stock adjustment account debit to stock reserve. Okay, am I clear till here? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Next, 14. Okay, when you close your branch expense account, that will be transferred. When branch expenses are transferred, when GSTB account is transferred, all that. Okay, when branch expenses are transferred. Okay, so my journal entry will be branch stock adjustment account debit to branch expense. Actually, either this word will be better. Branch PNL. Yeah, this is appropriate. Okay, because I'll be taking it this way. Okay, I transfer it to PNL. That is easy to remember. Next, ये सब transfer entries है, हाँ? Next, when balance in GSTB account is transferred. That is when you close the ledger of GSTB account. So my journal entry will be GSTB account debit to purchases. Or you can even write to trading account. एक ही बात है. Okay? Next, when gross profit is transferred to PNL account. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? That is when ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कहाँ से मिलता है? GST अकाउंट से ना. That is from branch stock adjustment account to P&L. ओके, हाँ, वहीं से तो मिलता है ब्रांच, आई मीन योर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. So my journal entry will be what? Okay, when gross profit is transferred to P&L. So you can just write, what do you call, yeah, branch stock adjustment account debit to branch P&L. Okay. ठीक है ना. और कभी कभी हम क्या करते हैं, ये नेट प्रॉफिट भी ट्रांसफर करते हैं, है ना. अगर स्टॉक अकाउंट में ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट है तो इधर आएगा, बट व्हाट इफ अगर नेट P&L है तो यू कैन इवन टेक इट लाइक दिस, branch P&L account debit to general P&L account. Okay, depending on the sum, depending on the question. Yeah. GP account, gross profit you get from where? Branch stock adjustment account. If you are not making branch stock adjustment account, तो P&L account में भी GP reflect हो जाता है. Okay, ये हमने यहाँ किया था. Show you and take you back to the here. See this one, this note. Sometimes a separate branch P&L account is prepared to find out the net profit. Then branch stock account, stock adjustment account is prepared to find gross profit. Yeah, I'm referring to with this note that I had given. Okay. Is it clear till here, everyone? समझ में आया? Okay, fine, great. So all the journal entries are noted down by you all. Journal entries are noted down by you all. This will be obviously helpful for us for the sums. Sum solving में बहुत काम आएगा. Okay.